It's October 29th and the November Visa Bulletin has finally been posted. In this video, we're going to talk about what movement we are seeing, so make sure you stick around. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. It's the moment we've all been waiting for couple weeks now. Usually the Department of State posts on their website on or about the 17th of each month the visa bulletin for the following month. However, it's taken them up until today, October 29th, to post the November Visa Bulletin. So apparently the November Visa Bulletin was on hold. It was still needing to get cleared by the Department of State due to a dispute regarding some of the new language. But it is finally out, so I'm going to talk about what movements we have seen in this month from the previous month. But before we get started, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for the November Visa Bulletin finally being posted. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the D'Angelo family. Also turn your post notifications on so you can be notified each and every time I have an immigration update for you. Okay, so let's get right into it. So for the family-based preference categories, we have seen absolutely no movement from the month before, not in the final action dates or the dates for filing for family-based. Everything remains the same as it was in October. In the previous visa bulletin, the Department of State actually included a section regarding visa availability in the upcoming months, and they have projected for the family-sponsored categories to have some movement up to a few weeks. I'll include it right here, what they said, but that actually didn't happen. We have seen for November, there has been no movement in the family-based category, so that's pretty straightforward. Hopefully there's some movement the following month. So let's get into the employment-based categories. We are seeing some pretty good movement in the employment-based categories. Let's take a look at the final action dates. For the final action dates, the first preference, all chargeability areas remains current, but we do see some movement here. For Chinese nationals, that actually jumped 6 months. The new priority date is December 1st, 2018, and then it also jumped 6 months as well for India. So that's some rapid forward movement there. For the second preference category, we do see some forward movement of 1 month for China, but about 21 days for India. So not a full month there. For the third preference, we do see a forward movement of 3 months for China and almost 3 months, about 2 months and a half for India. For other workers, we see 1 month of movement for China and about 2 months and a half for India. Now, in the previous month, for certain religious workers, the category was unavailable across the board, but now we see that it's current across the board, except for El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, and Mexico. The new priority dates are November 1st, 2017 and October 15, 2018 respectively. There's been no movement for the fifth preference category for non-regional centers, but for regional centers now we have it current across the board except for China and Vietnam, which are August 15, 2015 and August 15, 2017 respectively. So we have seen some definite movement in the final action dates for employment based, so that's good. For the dates for filing, we haven't seen any movement. Everything is pretty much the same except the other workers category for China. We do see movement of 7 months here. So if we look at the DV Lottery Visa Bulletin for November, the numbers are exactly what they projected back in October. So I'll put it right here. It is exactly what they stated the ranked numbers would be that would apply in November. They also posted what we can expect for December. And in December, we will see some more movement as well. So to sum up, there hasn't been any movement, any forward movement in the family-based preference categories, only in the employment-based categories, specifically for final action dates, as well as some forward movement as well in the diversity visa lottery winner categories. And then we will also see some more forward movement in the month of December. So kind of uneventful despite the great anticipation for this visa bulletin to come out, which can be good because people aren't left scrambling at the end of the month to get cases filed because there's been a visa retrogression, for example. That's the update for the November visa bulletin. Once again, make sure you are subscribed with your post notifications turned on so you can be notified the next time I have an update for you. Give this video a thumbs up so YouTube knows to spread it throughout the platform. If you have any questions or any recommendations for future video, requests for future video, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Also, one last thing, if you haven't subscribed to my dad's Italian cooking channel, definitely go ahead and subscribe to it. I will link it in this video as well as in the description bar below. The recipes are absolutely delicious. He will be uploading videos once a week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.